What if I told you that the next big wealth opportunity might already be in your pocket? And it's not the stock market, not real estate, but something even bigger. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 to 2026 might just be the turning point for everyday investors like you. But here's the catch. While some people will make life-changing gains, others will lose it all because they did not understand the game. So today, I will guide you step by step through how to invest smartly in crypto as a beginner, what trends to watch in 2025 and 2026, and how to protect your money in this volatile but rewarding market. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a strong crypto portfolio that could set you up for long-term success. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rich Map, your ultimate guide to building wealth and achieving financial freedom through smart investing. If you are new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because on this channel, we map out the smartest routes to your financial goals. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since Bitcoin first made headlines over a decade ago. What started as a digital experiment is now a trillion-dollar ecosystem, and it's still growing. But entering the crypto space today is not the same as it was back in 2017 or even 2021. The rules have changed, regulations are coming, and opportunities are shifting. So, how should beginners approach crypto investing in 2025 and 2026? Let's break it down in a way that's simple, strategic, and safe. First, let's talk about understanding crypto's purpose. Many people jump into crypto just to make quick money, but that's the fastest way to lose it. Think of crypto as the next evolution of the internet. Web3, where ownership, decentralization, and digital assets redefine how we use and exchange value online. You are not just buying coins. You are investing in the technology of the future. Now, before you even think about buying your first coin, you need to learn the fundamentals. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. It's the foundation of crypto. Then there is Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized applications, powering everything from NFTs to DeFi platforms. Beyond those, you have other blockchains like Solana, Avalanche, and Cardano, each with unique features, risks, and use cases. In 2025 and 2026, experts expect the market to become more mature. That means fewer meme coins and hype-driven projects, and more focus on real-world utility. So as a beginner, focused on utility-based projects, not just what is trending on social media. Now, let's move to the steps of getting started. Step 1. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. Stick with trusted platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Depending on where you live, make sure the exchange is secure, easy to use, and supports the coins you want to invest in. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Step 2. Decide your investing approach. There are two main strategies: long-term investing and short-term trading. As a beginner, long-term or HODL, investing is your best friend. It means buying quality coins and holding them for years instead of chasing quick profits. Remember, crypto can swing 20% in a single day, but those who stay patient usually win big. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Do not go all in on one coin, no matter how tempting it looks. A good beginner portfolio in 2025 might include 40% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, 20% in promising altcoins like Solana or Chainlink, and 10% in stablecoins for liquidity. That mix balances growth potential with safety. Step 4. Learn to secure your assets. The biggest mistake beginners make is leaving their crypto on exchanges. If the exchange gets hacked, your money's gone. The best practice: use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These offline devices keep your coins safe from online attacks. Step 5. Stay informed. The crypto market moves fast. News, regulations, and technology updates can shift prices overnight. Follow reliable news sources like CoinDesk, The Block, and Messar, but avoid hype-driven influencers who promise 100x coins. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now, let's talk about trends for 2025 and 2026 that could shape the future of crypto investing. First, Bitcoin ETFs. Institutional investors are entering the market through regulated funds, which means more stability and long-term growth potential. Second, blockchain adoption and AI in gaming. As industries integrate blockchain for transparency and digital ownership, new investment opportunities will appear. Third, regulation. While it might sound scary, regulation will actually make crypto safer and attract more mainstream investors. Expect clearer laws around stablecoins and decentralized finance. Another massive trend is real-world asset tokenization, where things like real estate, stocks, or even art can be represented as tokens. On blockchain, this could unlock trillions in new opportunities and might be one of the biggest game changers by 2026. But remember, with opportunity comes risk. Volatility is part of the crypto world. Prices can drop sharply before rising again. The key is emotional control. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Create a plan, set your buy and sell goals, and stick to them. Also, be aware of scams and fake projects. If a project promises guaranteed returns or asks for private wallet information, walk away. No legitimate crypto project is that. Now, let's talk about mindset. One of the most important parts of successful investing. Crypto is not about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and discipline. The people who got rich from Bitcoin did not do it overnight. They stayed consistent and did not panic during market crashes. If you adopt that mindset, you will already be ahead of most beginners. And here is one more tip. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount weekly or monthly. This strategy helps reduce risk and builds your portfolio steadily over time. As we move into 2025 and 2026, crypto investing will become more mainstream. Payment systems, social networks, and even governments are exploring digital currencies. The earlier you start learning and investing smartly, the better your position will be in the next big wave. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Understand what you are investing in, focus on real utility. Use safe exchanges and wallets. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and avoid hype. Play the long game with patience and discipline. Now imagine this. It is said 2026 Bitcoin has just hit another all-time high. Ethereum is powering thousands of real-world apps. And you, instead of watching from the sidelines, are already part of the growth story because you took action today. Thanks for watching Rich Map, where we guide you on the smartest routes to wealth. If this video helped you understand crypto investing better, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. I would love to hear what coins you are most excited about for 2025. And remember, investing is not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Stay smart, stay patient, and keep mapping your way to financial freedom. See you in the next video.